So, let's now talk about plural of some nouns. I will read a word and you will be able to repeat. Ox.
Oxen.
Louse.
Mice.
Mouse.
Mice.
Yes, mice. Sugar.
Sugar.
Yes, sugar. Hair.
Hair.
Yes, hair. Flower.
Flower.
Yes, flower. Wood.
Wood.
Yes, wood. City.
Cities.
Yes, cities. Knife.
Knives.
Yes, knives. Money.
Money.
All right, it is money. Man.
Men.
Yes, man. Woman.
Women.
Yes, women. Tooth.
Teeth.
Yes, teeth. Foot.
Feet.
Yes, feet. Goose.
Geese.
Yes, geese. Sheep.
Sheep.
Yes, sheep. Fish.
Fish.
Yes, fish. Deer.
Deer.
Yes, deer. Child.
Children.
Yes, children. Person.
Persons or people.
Yes, persons or people. Beer.
Beer.
Yes, beers. Banana.
Banana.
Yes, banana. Bed.
Bed.
Yes, beds. Boy.
Boys.
Yes, boys. Monkey.
Monkeys.
Yes, monkeys. Lady.
Ladies.
Yes, ladies. Party.
Parties.
Yes, parties. Radio.
Radios.
Yes, radios. Studio.
Studios.
Yes, studios. Straw.
Cells.
Yes, straws. Mosquito.
Mosquitoes.
Yes, mosquitoes. Equal.
Eagles.
Yes, equals. Potato.
Potatoes.
Yes, potatoes. Photo.
Photos.
Yes, photos. Piano.
Pianos.
Yes, pianos. Solo.
Solos.
Yes, solos. Avocado.
Avocados.
Yes, avocados. Thief.
Thieves.
Yes, thieves. Calf.
Calves.
Yes, calves. Wife.
Wives.
Yes, wives. Belief.
Beliefs.
Yes, beliefs. Chief.
Chiefs.
Yes, chiefs. Handkerchief.
Handkerchiefs.
Yes, handkerchiefs. That is some words that we made in a plural. Step by step, you can be repeating until you get knowledge and you will be able to memorize all of those words. Thank you. Thank you.
You are welcome.
All right.